Welcome to Cooking Copilot, your one stop shop for a delicious and easy to follow recipes. Today, we are making a classic Indian sweet, Balushahi, with a twist. We'll be using rich and flavorful jaggery syrup instead of the sugar syrup. Now, let's prepare the dough. So, in a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of maida or plain flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give a quick mix. Now we'll be adding 1/4 cup of ghee or clarified butter. Rub it into the flour. The ghee has combined well with the flour. So now we'll be adding half a cup of water and mix until the dough comes together. Remember, we don't want a smooth dough here. The key to a flaky balushahi is a dough that's only loosely combined. So for that, try to combine it only in one direction. Note, if you don't have baking powder available, use a pinch of baking soda and 1/4 cup of well whisked and smooth curd or dahi. As you can see, the dough is soft but flaky in texture. So now we'll be covering it with a cloth and we'll let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. While the dough rests, Let's prepare the jaggery syrup. In a saucepan, combine the grated jaggery and water. So we'll be using around 1.5 cup of jaggery and 3/4 cup of water. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the jaggery dissolves completely. Continue simmering the syrup until it reaches a single string consistency. It should form a single string when a drop is stretched between your thumb and a finger. Now, as you can see, our syrup is of perfect consistency, so we'll be turning off the gas. Now, back to our dough. Divide it into small balls and flatten each ball slightly to form a disc. Now, make a small hole in the center of the disc with a cylindrical object or your finger. You can also try to make a design like I'm doing. So I'll pinch the dough from outer edge and attach it to the center of the disc. I'm repeating the same process. So now I'll be making a small hole and at the center of the disc using a spoon. You can use any cylindrical object. As you can see, a nice design has formed. We'll follow the same process for the rest of the bowls. Our batch of balushai is ready to be fried. Heat the oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Now simmer the flame to its lowest. Add the balushai carefully. As you can see, we have only a few bubbles arising from the oil as the oil is not too hot. So we'll be frying each side for almost 3 to 4 minutes and then we'll carefully flip it. Once fried, immediately dip the hot balushai into the warm Jaggery syrup. Let them soak for a few minutes until they are well coated with the syrup. Flip each balushai after about 2 minutes. Place the soaked balushai on a plate and let them cool. And there you have it. Delicious golden balushai with a rich caramelized jaggery syrup, a perfect treat for any occasion. Enjoy your homemade balushai and don't forget to share them with your loved ones. Hope you like this recipe. Stay tuned for the next one. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.